What's up, everybody? Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? I'm talking about building a whole channel around awesome content without the pressure of being on camera. Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm diving deep into 8 faceless YouTube niches that are primed to blow up in 2025. We're talking serious cash potential without ever hitting that record button. We're going to break down each niche step by step. And don't worry, I'm not just going to leave you hanging with a list. I'm going to rank each of these niches based on how much money you could actually make and how easy it is to create the content. We're talking full transparency here, guys. So, whether you're a total tech whiz, a master storyteller, or just someone who wants to make some serious bank on YouTube, I've got you covered. Let's do this. First up, we're jumping into the world of anime. Now I know what you're thinking. Anime and self-help? Trust me, this is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Think about it. Anime is all about overcoming challenges, learning life lessons, and finding your inner strength. It's like self-help already wrapped up in awesome animation. This niche is all about taking those powerful anime moments and turning them into bite-sized motivation. You can use clips from popular shows, talk about your favorite characters, and relate it all back to real-life problems. Plus, think about the visuals. You can create some seriously epic montages with awesome anime fight scenes and inspiring music. Next up, we're tapping into the power of storytelling with moral stories. Look, I'm all about that high-energy, over-the-top stuff, but sometimes the simplest ideas are the best. Moral stories have been around forever because they work. They teach valuable lessons, inspire us to be better, and everyone can relate to them. The best part is you don't need fancy equipment or editing skills for this. You can find copyright-free stories online, use text-to-speech software, and add some royalty-free music to set the mood. Or if you're feeling creative, you can even write your own stories. Let's be real. Sometimes the internet can be a little chaotic. That's why people are craving wisdom and guidance now more than ever. And where better to find it than in the teachings of ancient philosophers? Think Socrates, Plato, Buddha. These guys were dropping truth bombs centuries ago. Now, don't worry. You don't need to be a philosophy professor to make this work. You can share bite-sized explanations of complex ideas, connect those ideas to current events, or even create animated stories around philosophical concepts. Alright guys, this next one is for those of you who are ready to put in the work. Business documentaries are like the Ferraris of the faceless YouTube world. They're sleek, powerful, and require some serious skill to build. But trust me, the payoff can be huge. Think about it. Everyone wants to know the secrets to success, right? With business documentaries, you can dive deep into the stories of successful entrepreneurs, analyze business strategies, and give viewers a behind-the-scenes look at how empires are built. This is next-level content that demands attention. Next up, we're diving into the world of horror. Let's be real. Everyone loves a good scare, and YouTube is the perfect place to unleash your inner storyteller. Whether you're into creepypastas, urban legends, or your own twisted tales, the horror niche is all about keeping your audience on the edge of their seats. You can use text-to-speech software, sound effects, and creepy visuals to create an immersive experience. And the best part is, there's always a demand for fresh content. People can't get enough of scary stories. Let's be real. A lot of people are clueless when it comes to money. But the good news is, they're looking for answers, and that's where you come in. Financial education is a massive niche that's only getting bigger. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to teach it. You can share practical tips on budgeting, investing, saving, and even side hustles. Think about it. You're not just creating content, you're empowering people to take control of their finances. AI is blowing up right now, and everyone wants to know how to use it to make money. This niche is all about tapping into that demand and showing people how to leverage the power of AI for profit. You can create tutorials on using AI tools for freelancing, starting an online business, or even generating passive income. This is cutting-edge stuff. And while it might take some research and learning on your part, the earning potential is massive. Last but not least, we've got 3D animation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This one sounds intimidating, right? And yeah, it definitely requires some technical skills. But if you're willing to put in the time to learn, the rewards can be huge. 3D animation is everywhere right now, from movies and video games to explainer videos and social media content. And the demand for skilled animators is only going up. Plus, you can literally create anything you can imagine. So there you have it, guys. 8 faceless YouTube niches that could make you serious cash in 2025. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency, quality content, and choosing a niche you're passionate about. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited to try out. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.